Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Measure app and immediately begin calibration. Point the camera at a flat, textured surface and move the iPhone in a slow arc. This lets the app detect depth and distance, so measurements will be accurate. Once the white circle and guiding dot appear, you're ready to set the first point. Make sure to keep your wrist steady and maintain roughly the same distance from the object as you move. This improves AR tracking and reduces measurement drift. You place the start point by tapping the plus icon and then move the phone until the guiding dot sits exactly on the edge you want. Tap again to lock the end point. For angled or curved objects, add intermediate taps to trace the shape. The live readout updates so you can judge precision. Once done, switch between ruler and level if you need thickness or flatness checks. Keep transitions smooth. Pausing briefly after each tap helps the AR engine refine the geometry. You finish by tapping the shutter to capture the measurement overlay. That gives you a visual record to share or store. Then verify accuracy by measuring a known item like a credit card to confirm the system is within tolerance. If results look off, restart the app and recalibrate. Make sure lighting is even and avoid shiny or repetitive patterns which confuse tracking. Once done, repeat the same measured shot. Consistent technique is the single best way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.